just out of the service, thumbing through the classifieds, when at that said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. The lady didn't know the year or even if it ran, but I had that $1,000 in my hand. It was way back in the corner of this old ramshackle barn, 30 years of dust and dirt on that green army town. When I pulled the cover off, it took away my breath, for what she called a Chevy was a '66 Corvette. And I felt a little guilty as I counted out the bills, but what a feel I got when I sat behind the wheel. Opened up the glove box and that's when I found the note. Slipped it to 1966 and this is what he wrote. He said, my name is Private Andrew Malone, and if you're reading this, then I didn't make it home. For every dream that's shattered, another one comes true. This car was once a dream of mine, and now it belongs to you. And though you may take her and make her your own, always be riding with Private Malone. Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a sore fingers again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you. This is a song called Riding with Private Malone by a gentleman called David Ball. It is in standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as David Ball. Okay, so let's break it down for you. What you heard there was basically the intro, first verse, and the chorus. Okay, so we'll go through that first, and I'll just show you there's a slightly different verse or middle bit in the song later on in the song, which I'll show you. Other than that, you've got everything you need. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction is on an E chord and E suspended 4, pinky on the third fret. Third string on the second fret there, added to the E chord. Yeah, that sort of thing. So it starts on an E and then it hammers into the suspended, then it comes off the suspended and hammers it into it again, and you'll see what I'm doing. So slowly it's this. Very slowly. Okay, I'm just hammering into that suspended fourth there. Okay, so that's the intro, and then he comes in with the verse. Okay, I was just out of the, and it goes to suspended again on service. Okay, just out of the service, thumbing E, but take the suspended off, thumb through the classifieds. So it's that. I was just out of the service, thumbing through the classified, when an A had that said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. Back to E, the lady didn't suspend it, no, the year. Back to E, even if it ran A, but $5,000 B dollars in my hand. E suspended, E. Right, so that's basically E, A and B, and obviously the A is standard A and the B is, I'm playing it like a bar chord, second fret, first finger, and then I'm barring the fourth, third and second strings on the fourth fret with my third finger. Some people use their pinky, or you could use three fingers, up to you, or you could play a simple B, second fret, first finger, second fret, top E string, and then fourth, third and second strings on the fourth fret with the other three fingers, fall down to 1, or you could play a B as a bar chord on the 7th fret, and also the A. If you wanted to play the A, you could play it on the 5th fret as a bar chord. It's up to you, however you wish to play it. Okay, so let's just go through this whole thing up to that point so far then. So the intro, play it very slowly for you. I was just just out of service, thumbing through the classifieds, when a lad that said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. The lady didn't know the year or even if it ran. $9,000 in my hand. Okay, got that? Then we go into the second half of the verse. Very similar to the first part, okay? It was way back in the suspended corner of this, back to E, old ramshackle barn. A, 30 years of dust and dirt, that green army tar. Up to B this time, when I pulled the cover off it, back to A, took away my breath. Stay there, what she called a Chevy was at B, 66 for E. There. Got that bit? So just go through that bit again, coming out of the previous half of the verse. $1,000 in my hand. It was way back in the corner of this old ramshackle barn. 30 years of dust and dirt on that green army tar. When I pulled the cover off, it took away my breath. What she called a Chevy was a 66 Corvette. And then we go to the next section, okay, which is F sharp minor. And I felt a little guilty. So I felt a little guilty is F sharp minor. Bar chord second fret, minor shape. Or you can play just the first 3 strings barred on the second fret there if you want to. F sharp minor anyway, okay. Felt a little guilty as I, B, counted out the bills. Back to E, what a thrill I got when I, A, sat behind the B wheel. And then E, opened up the E suspended 4 glove box, and that's when E, I found a note. A, the date was 1966, and B, this is what E wrote, suspended off. Then we're going into the chorus, okay? So let's go through this bit again from the F sharp minor. I felt a little guilty as I, B, counted out the bills. E, what a thrill I got when I, A, sat behind the B wheel. E, opened up, E suspended 4, E, I found the note. A, date was 1966, B, and this is what E suspended E. Okay, so there we have a full verse. Okay, so let's do the whole thing right up to that point. Okay, so from the intro, quite slow, okay? Do it slower than it is on the record. Just out of the service, through the classified, and I said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. The lady didn't know the year or if it even ran. $5,000 in my hand. It was way back in the corner of this old ramshackle barn. 30 years of dust and dirt on that green army tar. But when I pulled the cover off, it took away my breath. But what she called a Chevy was a 66 Corvette. And I felt a little guilty as I counted out the bills. What a thrill I got when I sat behind the wheel. I opened up the glove box, and that's when I found a note. The date was 1966, and this is why it wrote. Right, so I hope you got that. If not, just rewind and have another go. Okay, so now we're into the chorus. He said my name, and on name we go to C sharp minor. 4th fret bar chord, minor shape. He said, my name is B, Private A, Andrew B. Malone. Quite a lot of chord change in there, okay? He said, my name is Private Andrew Malone. Just go through that again. He said, my C sharp minor name is B, Private A, Andrew B. Malone. If you're C sharp minor reading B this, then A didn't make it B. Oh, two lots the same there, yeah? Got that? So coming out of he said, my name is Private Andrew Malone. If you're reading this, then I didn't make it home. But it's double the length on that B. But now we go to G sharp minor, 4th fret, bar, minor shape, or you can play it with 3 fingers barred on the first 3 strings, 4th fret if you want to, or a bar chord, okay? And it says, where are we? Let's just go. And for every dream, that's C sharp minor, so it's G sharp minor. For every dream, that's C sharp minor, 4th fret, that one you started the whole thing off on. Shattered for F sharp minor, another one come B, true. Okay, so it's G sharp minor to C sharp minor, F sharp minor to B. So from the beginning of this whole thing, he said, my name is Private Andrew Malone. If you're reading this, and I didn't make it home. But for every dream that's shattered, another one comes true. Okay, so as far as we've got. Then we go to A. This car was once a dream of mine. Now we're on it. You go to B. It belongs to you. So it's an A. This car was once a dream of mine. Now it belongs to you. Okay, got that? Then we go back to the C sharp minor bit, and B and A. And though you may make her your G sharp minor. Oh. Okay, got that G sharp minor there. And then F sharp minor. You'll always be right. B in with private M, E to E suspended. Like the intro. Play the intro again there, okay? Not quite a lot to remember there, so let's just go through this again, right from the beginning, okay, very slowly. He said, my C sharp minor name is B, A, B, again C sharp minor, B, this, A, didn't make it B, G sharp minor, F, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B, A, was once a dream of mine, B, belongs to you, C sharp minor, B, A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, yours be right in B, intro. Okay, got the idea? Right, so let's try and go through the whole thing up to that point, okay? At a normal-ish speed, hopefully I won't make too many boo-boos, okay? I was just out on the service from in through past 5. The ad that said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. The lady didn't know the year or even if it had that $1,000 in my hand. It was way back in the corner of this old ramshackle barn. 30 years of dust and dirt on that green army top. When I pulled the cover off, it took away my breath. But what she called a Chevy was a '66 Corvette. And I felt so guilty as I counted out the bills, but thrill I got when I sat behind the wheel. Opened up the glove box and that's when I found Malone. The date was 1966 and this is what he wrote. He said, my name is Private Andrew Malone, and if you read this and I didn't make it home, for every dream that's shattered another one comes true. This car was once a dream of mine, now it belongs to you, and though you may take her and make her your own, you'll always be riding in private Malone. Okay, then basically it goes into verse 2, which is exactly the same to play as verse 1. Okay, and then it does the chorus again. Okay, exactly the same as what we've already been through, and then it goes into the sort of slightly different, you could call it a bridge section. Okay, one night it was raining hard. Okay, so coming out of the second chorus where it goes, I was proud to be riding with Private Malone. That goes into F sharp minor. One night it was raining hard, I B took a curve too fast, E still don't remember much, A about the theory, B clash. Okay, so let's just get through that bit again. So F sharp minor, one night it was raining hard, and then to a B, I took the curve too fast, E, still don't remember much, A, about that fiery crash, B. And then we're back to normal again, E, someone said E suspended for 4 days for E, soldier pull me out, A, he didn't get his name, but B, I know without a doubt, E. And then it's back to the chorus again. It was that young man, Private Andrew Malone, and so on. Okay, so let's just do this third verse or middle section again, coming out of the second chorus where it goes, I was proud to be riding with Private Malone. One night it was raining hard, I took a curve too fast. Still don't remember much about that fiery crash. Someone said they thought they saw a soldier pull me out. Didn't get his name, but I know without a doubt it was a young man, and so on. You get the idea. It goes into the chorus, and that is the last chorus now. And basically all it does, it just repeats the last line. Okay, so this is the last chorus. It was a young man, Private Andrew Malone, who fought for his country and never made it home. But for every dream that shatters, another one comes true. This car was once his dream, his back when it was new. I know I wouldn't be here if I hadn't tagged along. Yeah, now I was riding with Private Malone. Oh, thank God I was riding with Private Malone. And that's it basically. It's exactly the same chorus as usual with some slightly different words, and then he just repeats the very last line again. Okay. So there you have it, boys and girls. Hopefully you'll make some sense of that. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.